Hey guys, let's take a look at how we can change the air filter of the Suzuki Ignis car. The problem I'm facing is, even though I gave for a 10,000 kilometer service, they probably dusted the air filter and kept it back in, and then it continues to struggle to go beyond 80 kilometers compared to how it used to do it before, right? It's not that it won't go. Of course, if you floor the accelerator, it does go, but with some hesitation. So I'm thinking it is the blocked air filter, and let's change it with a new one altogether. All right, so very simple. I think you don't need tools. You just need to ensure the engine is not too hot for you to handle. Okay, and then once you've done this, you can see that the whole setup can actually come out, and you need to take this lambda sensor. This is the air filter sensor out here. You just need to press this lever and then pull it out. That's out. This comes out like this. Very simple. Okay, and then you simply pull this out. All right, all attached, so not a problem. No tools required here. So you lift it up like this, and there you have it. You have your air filter, the old one, which is run 10,000 kilometers. So is it blocked? Let's compare it with the new one and then see if it is blocked or not. All right, so I have the new one here, freshly bought from genuine spare parts. I wonder why they don't change it at 10,000 kilometers. Probably they think it'll last for 20,000. That's fine, but then since I genuinely face this problem of not being able to breathe properly beyond 80 kilometers, I thought, let me change it. So this is the new versus the old. So what do you think? Is it blocked? Slightly, maybe slightly. So otherwise, I'm going to go ahead and change this. And very simple. Just lift it out here. This is how it looks. There might be some debris out here like this. I don't know what this is. Plastic parts. It's better you clean it up. You know, these service guys, they hardly bother about the smaller things, the nitty-gritties. As a owner, as a purist, as your own driver, you care about these things. Even the most minutest things bother you, right? Like there was some debris inside, and the service guy didn't even bother cleaning it up, right? So you see the quality of service you get when you pay for it. So you clean it up yourself, make sure there's no debris. See? All right. So basically the air goes in here, travels inside here, and comes up and then goes through this towards the engine, filtered air. Right, and then you go ahead and place this back out there. All right, nice and tight. And then you can go ahead and there's a locking system here, the plastic. Okay, they go into these slots. All right, I'm sure they go into those slots and put this in like this. All right, and you're set. Done. And don't forget to connect this sensor back in. Just slots in, that's it. It's locked. And there you are. You just changed the air filter. Hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.